In this video, we're going to be talking about Multivac. We're going to be checking out the price, seeing if we're getting any closer towards the $1 mark. As well as that, we're going to be checking out the Twitter page to see if we've had any major news or any changes related within the tokenomics of the Multivac. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into Multivac, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see on CoinMarketCap, Multivac is down 4.39%, 4.69% over the last 24 hours. You can see on the chart here that we were pretty much consolidating, and then we did have an impulse up, and then from then on pretty much I think we just liquidated all these equal highs, and then from there on we just started dropping. I think this is mainly due to Bitcoin, but as you can see here, we're starting to make an accumulation phase, which is really good. And so as you can see on the weekly, we can see we were pretty much consolidating, nothing major occurring. Price action was pretty much moving towards the right, and then therefore we had a huge impulse up, and then it looks like we had a distribution phase, and then due to current market conditions, Bitcoin is still bearish short term in my opinion. So yeah. But if we check on the monthly, we can see that we were overall bearish, and then from there we had an accumulation phase, and then slowly built ourselves back up into the bullish zone. Hopefully we respect this demand zone. Yeah, we respect this demand zone. So if we quickly check on the 3-month, we can see that overall we're still in the overall in the quarterly we're still bearish, but hopefully this is soon to change as there are new projects coming on to Multivac, the all-dimensional sharding. So yeah, let's quickly check on the overall market before we head on to TradingView and get a more in-depth analysis of Multivac. So as you can see, the overall crypto market cap is down to the overall crypto market is down 2.48% over the last day. You can see Bitcoin down 2.15%, Ethereum down 4%, BNB down 1.97%, pretty much bearish as of today. We're still pretty much above the 40k region just by 40.1. We're still above the 40k, so yeah. Hopefully we do not reach the demand zone roughly around 30k. So yeah. Let's quickly check Multivac's Twitter page. You can see the all-dimensional sharding flexible blockchain. So we're close to 60,000 followers. You can see that they did tweet out. So MTV is checking all the boxes. Wrap tokens allows for more bridging / swap options. So this is major stuff. So you can see Multivac is one of Meloria Finance's proud partners. So yeah, you can check that out. If you want to see, you can see MTV community bridge issue with the BSC API is resolved. Thank you for your patience and understanding during this time. So yeah, that was pretty much resolved. So yeah, you can see they did issue this out on the 14th, and it looks like it's now been resolved on Friday the 18th. So yeah, which is really good. It took a bit of time, but it's okay. Other than that, nothing major news, nothing crazy. So let's quickly go back on to TradingView, and we have a more in-depth analysis. So as you can see here, we pretty much we had an accumulation phase, we had a huge impulse up, we had a break of structure from this region, and then we did have a pullback, and then from here we had another impulse up, but we failed to create new highs and possibly reach this target. It looks like we're going to be coming back down, pulling back. But this is mainly due to current Bitcoin or current market conditions, as that Bitcoin is the leader. You can see Bitcoin is now trading roughly below 40,000. In my opinion, I think we're going to fill in this imbalance, and then from this imbalance we will therefore start becoming bullish. But on the weekly, if we look on Bitcoin, we can see that we're still making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. But we did have a break of structure, which is quite unusual. But it could mean that we're having a change in character, or yeah. But hopefully it is a change in character, and then we can start to approach the likes of 52k, and then from then on we will be more bullish for these altcoins essentially. So yeah, we're just waiting to see how Multivac does respond to this I think pretty much been, yeah, it's pretty much on this demand zone. If we drop down to the 4 hour, we can see that it has been touched in by a few times. You can see here, yep, it has been respected once, twice, three times essentially. So yeah, you can see that it is a very strong support zone. But other than that, we're gonna have to wait and see if it does break through or if it respects the zone. But in my opinion, I think it's gonna liquidate all those buyers, and then from then on, we're gonna see. Hopefully, we can have price respect in this region here, but we're just gonna have to wait and see what occurs, as nothing happens overnight. So yeah, but in my opinion, I think that we're still close. We're still on the path to $1. It's gonna take a bit of time, but we're just gonna have to wait and be patient. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs, and peace.